Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this space, you can begin to notice the gentle support beneath you, the chair, the floor, the bed, holding you completely. And you can allow your awareness to drift inward to the simple, constant rhythm of your breath. Not trying to change it, just noticing it. The cool air as it enters, the warm air as it leaves. And with each exhale, you can feel a subtle release, a letting go of any need to be anywhere else or do anything else for these next moments. You are exactly where you need to be. I invite you to simply listen to the sound of my voice, allowing it to become a gentle guide, a point of focus that your mind can softly rest upon. And you might notice other thoughts, sensations, sounds, and that's perfectly all right. You don't need to push them away. Simply let them be there, in the background, as you keep a part of your attention here with my words. Just as clouds pass through a vast, open sky, you can let thoughts pass through the spacious awareness of your mind without judgment, without attachment, simply observing. And now, I'd like you to recall a moment, any moment, where you felt a genuine sense of peace. It doesn't have to be dramatic. It might be a quiet morning with a cup of tea, watching a sunset, the feeling after a gentle walk in nature, or even a moment of relief after a good laugh. Now how? Find that memory now. Just glimpse it. And as you touch that memory, notice what you see in that moment of peace. The colors, the light, the shapes around you. See it as clearly as you can. Now, tune into the sounds of that peaceful moment, or perhaps the beautiful silence within it. Listen. Now how, and most importantly, reconnect with the feeling in your body from that memory. A warmth in your chest, a lightness in your shoulders, a deep, calm stillness in your belly, a sense that all is well. You feel that now. Let that feeling of peace from that past moment begin to glow within you, right here, right now. Now. And as you feel this, I invite you to gently press your thumb and forefinger together on your right hand. Go ahead and make that gentle connection. This is your anchor. A simple physical touch that you can link to this profound feeling of inner peace. Every time you press these fingers together, you can access this reservoir of calm. You are wiring peace into your nervous system. Now, release the anchor. Let your hand relax. Now I go deeper. With every breath you take, I am a being of profound peace. My mind is a still, clear lake, reflecting the calm blue sky above. Every breath I take deepens my connection to an unshakable serenity within. I release all resistance to calm. I allow tranquility to flow through me as easily as my breath. My body knows how to be at peace. My nervous system is learning right now to default to a state of calm balance. The chaos of the world outside cannot disturb the sanctuary I carry within. I am rooted in stillness, like an ancient tree, grounded and unmoved by passing winds. I choose peace over worry. I choose calm over anxiety. In every moment, I have this choice. My heart is open and soft. Can you feel the call? Tate a Forstokfer. I release the need to strive for peace. I simply allow it to be my natural state. With every exhale, I let go of a thought that does not serve my peace. With every inhale, I welcome in a wave of pure, soothing calm, Visorbiyus, as if a warm golden light is filling me from the inside out, a light of peace that dissolves any shadows of stress or fear. Can you feel it? That gentle warmth in your core, spreading outwards to your limbs, to the very tips of your fingers and toes. This is the physical sensation of your own inner peace awakening. I am not trying to find peace. I am remembering that I am peace. My thoughts are becoming quieter, softer, like distant whispers that hold no power over my calm center. I observe my emotions without becoming lost in them. They are waves on the ocean of my being, and I am the deep, still water beneath. There is a space between stimulus and response, and in that space, I find my infinite peace and my power to choose. I am a magnet for peaceful experiences and serene moments. My presence brings a sense of calm to the rooms I enter and the people I meet. In that trust, I find my deepest peace, lights. Gratitude fills me, and gratitude is a direct gateway to a peaceful heart. I am thankful for this breath. I am thankful for this body. I am thankful for this quiet. I am thankful for this body. I am thankful for this quiet mind. Universe supports my peace. life conspires to bring me back to this center again and again. Imagine this peace as a soft, white light emanating from your heart. See it expanding with every heartbeat, creating a bubble of absolute serenity around you. The light, point quicta, this bubble is your personal field of tranquility. Within it, you are protected, centered, and utterly calm. I released bubble with you anywhere. No external noise, no hurry, no demand can penetrate it unless you allow it. You are the guardian of your own peace. My inner world creates my outer experience. As I cultivate peace within, my life reflects peace back to me. Sleep comes easily to my peaceful mind. Rest is deep and rejuvenating in my tranquil body. I communicate with clarity and compassion because this peace is not fragile. It is resilient. It is strong. It is the bedrock of your being. You have accessed it now. You know what it feels like in your body, in your mind, in your spirit, and knowing that you can always return. A single breath is all it takes. A gentle touch of your anchor is all it takes. The simple thought, I am peace, is all it takes. Feel this tranquility weaving itself into the fabric of your identity. It is becoming who you are, not just something you occasionally feel. You are becoming a living embodiment of calm strength and quiet joy. No, my default state is serenity. Know that. I navigate life with grace and ease. Addy make so feel you readily. You will carry this deep sense of balance and tranquility with you as you go about your day. It will be there in the background, a soft hum of well-being, a steady anchor in your core. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now.